We want to show you today how Bizagi supports RPA capabilities and integration. To achieve this, we have set up a demo for a loan request origination process, where users asking for a loan send a request to an email address, and a robot will check these messages, extract the relevant data, and start the origination process. This demo has two parts. The first one is how the robot will start a Bizagi process after performing some desktop activities, such as opening Outlook, opening PDF files, and using a web browser. The second one is using the robot to update a legacy ERP system with the information already extracted. For this demo, we have prepared two virtual machines. The first one will be the Bizagi engine, also hosting the RPA service. The second one will be our agent's desktop that will have the required applications to start the loan process. Using a Bizagi process, we trigger the RPA service through a connector. To accomplish this, we log in into Bizagi with the admin user. Then, an RPA email poller process is started from the work portal. Once the process is started, the task name check email and start loan origination will reach the RPA services to attempt locate an available robot. We now check how is the robot behaving. The robot starts checking the email using the Outlook client. It will save the attachments into disk. It will process the message and put it in the process request folder, and it will close the application when it's no longer required or needed. It is using common commands found in the application, for example, download all attachments, and creating the directory before doing so. Now it's going to open the PDF file, and using an OCR engine, it's going to start reading the relevant data for the process. It will start looking for the fields and extracting their value. It will also scroll through the document, searching for all the required fields. Here we are using an open source implementation of an OCR engine called Tesseract. Once the information is acquired, it will proceed to perform a data verification task. It will now close the PDF file and we'll open a Google Chrome browser. And using the Experience Data Quality site, is going to verify the address entered by the user in the form. This site offers this service for free with a limited amount of queries per day. This technique can also be used in different scenarios. For example, checking the spelling of words typed by the user using an online dictionary, checking a risk list in case the person requesting the loan has been blacklisted, checking that a phone number corresponds to the given country as stated in the address, etc. The address has been verified, and now the robot is going to replace the old value with the new one. Now a process has been started in Bizagi. We now go back to Bizagi engine. We are going to check the process recently created. So we search for it using the case ID, and we see now that it's in the loan details verification task. This task needs to be performed by the loan processor, and that's another user. So we now need to log out from Bizagi, and we're going to log in again using the processor user that is called mjames. Now we search for the case, and we can check that the information that the robot read from the document is now in the form of the process. The user, if he wishes to, can modify this information or just simply advance the case. Once this case is advanced, it will now perform the last step, that it will be updating the legacy system. So we now go back to our desktop. He will open the legacy system and will start updating with the information he had in memory. For this demo, we only used a placeholder system, but this can be anything since the robot can connect to different servers and protocols, so we can use Oracle or SAP. When it's done, it's going to close the application and the case is going to be advanced. So we go back now to our engine. We're going to check this demo was made using Nividous RPA development tool. This is an IDE for configuring the different steps that a robot is going to perform. And it's done by configuring certain sets of interfaces. Within these interfaces, we can find, for example, web automation, UI automation, desktop automation, that mostly will allow the robot to read or write data in the different environments. It will also have a task for OCR capabilities, as we saw, that is going to be reading text from not text-based files, for example, a PDF file. Also, it can connect to different protocols using web browsers. We can configure different applications here for the robot to use. We can also configure delays in the task if needed. Thank you for watching this demo. I hope you enjoy it.